My name is Ahmed Jaradat, PhD candidate under the supervision of Professor Hussein Aslan at COSING Research Group in Istanbul Medieval University. I have worked with Dr. Jihad Hamamri from Antalya Bilim University on this paper entitled Orthogonal Frequency Division Multiplexing with Subcarrier Gap Modulation of the MSGM. My presentation outlines are listed as follows. Firstly, we provide the background of our study, and then we list our contribution. Then the system model of the proposed schemes is presented. After that, the performance evaluation of the proposed scheme will be discussed in terms of the average bit error probability and complexity analysis. Then the simulation setup and the obtained result are discussed. Finally, we conclude the paper and provide some future works. In the recent research studies, significant efforts in enhancing the spectral efficiency of OFDM can be observed. There are many modulation options for OFDM waveforms, and their classification, comparisons, and future work can be found in our recent IEEE Access paper entitled Modulation Options for OFDM-based waveforms, Classification, Comparison, and Future Directions. Among these schemes, OFDM index modulation and OFDM subcarrier number modulations are two examples of the promising OFDM modulation schemes. The index and the number of active subcarriers in OFDM waveform are exploited to transmit additional information. With the analogy of the generic design of OFDM index modulation and OFDM subcarrier number modulation blocks, we propose a novel gap-based OFDM scheme named as OFDM subcarrier gap modulation OFDM SGM. In our proposed scheme OFDM SGM, we introduce another dimension called gap between active subcarriers to transmit extra data beside the quadrature amplitude modulation symbols. More average number of active subcarriers are obtained using the proposed scheme, so we can enhance the spectral efficiency while maintaining low computational complexity. Also, the system flexibility is improved by exploiting different dimensions in the signal space to enhance the spectral efficiency of the communication system. We propose two low complex detectors based on the subcarrier activation pattern. The trade-off between energy efficiency and spectral efficiency is improved in the proposed scheme by exploiting this new gap dimension by allowing this number of active subcarriers compared to the conventional OFDM. Also, we derive the upper bound of bit error rate to verify the simulation results. We compare the performance of the proposed scheme with the state-of-the-art algorithms such as OFDM index modulation and OFDM subcarrier number modulation as well as the conventional OFDM. The presented system model shows that the gap buffer as the core part of the proposed scheme, where the gap is determined by the incoming bits to the subblock, represented by the B1 bits. Then the conventional symbols are conveyed into the active subcarriers specified by the subcarrier activation button provided by the gap mapper. After concatenating G subblocks, the whole OFDM block in the frequency domain is obtained, and then the conventional OFDM modulator is employed to transmit the signal over the channel. The reverse operations are required at the receiver, including CP removal, FFT process, and then the gap demapping to extract the original B1 bits, and then conventional demodulation to extract the conventional bits B2. To reduce the detection complexity of the employed optimal ML detector, we adopt two low complex detectors, namely perfect subcarrier activation pattern estimation and imperfect SAP estimation. The perfect one neglects the error caused by the wrong detection of subcarriers in the received subcarrier activation pattern, whereas the detection of the imperfect detector is error prone. In the both detectors, the demodulation stage of the classical constellation symbols would be unsuccessful to extract B2 bits correctly when an error SAB detection happens. This occurs because of the demodulation of some incorrectly detected subcarriers. So the transmit B1 and B2 bits are error when the detected subcarrier activation button is wrong. On the other hand, if subcarrier activation button is correctly detected, then B1 is correct, but it's not certain that B2 is correctly estimated. The perfect detector is taken into account for the conducted simulation due to its complexity compared to the imperfect one. A look likelihood ratio detector is also implemented for the proposed scheme to reduce its computational complexity. This look likelihood ratio detector decided on specific active subcarriers that have maximum look likelihood ratio values. Performance evaluation of the proposed scheme is presented here. First, we evaluated the average bit error probability, which is analyzed for our scheme by considering the pairwise error probability due to transmitting on the gap between active subcarriers as well as the conventional symbols. As you can see in this formula, the average bit error rate probability is computed based on the transmitted and detected sequences. We can find the unconditional pairwise error probability corresponding to these sequences and then find the number of bits in difference between these sequences over the legitimate realization of the transmit sequence divided by the length of the vector that constitutes the data bits corresponding to the OFDM SGM subblock. Also, we evaluate the complexity associated with the detector as shown in the table. It can be seen that the OFDM SGM with an look likelihood ratio detector offers comparable complexity performance compared to the OFDM index modulation and classical OFDM. Therefore, the look likelihood ratio detector is a preferable choice for practical OFDM SGM systems. The simulation setup is shown in this table. We consider 64 subcarriers in the OFDM symbol and a small subblock size of 4. So we have 64 over 4, which is equal to 16 subblocks for the OFDM symbol. The gap selecting bits are look2 to the base 2, which is equal to 2 bits. We assume that BBSK modulation of active subcarriers to utilize the full capability of the OFDM SGM scheme. The simulated wireless channel is Rayleigh distributed and frequency selective. Similar signal to noise ratio SNR or EP over NOT is considered to provide a fair comparison between the featured schemes, where EP is the bit energy and NOT is the noise variance in the time domain. The CP length is said to be longer than the number of channel taps to avoid inter-symbol interference. The simulation results are presented here. In this figure 2, the spectral efficiency of the OFDM SGM under BBSK is higher than that of its competitive schemes because of having a more average number of active subcarriers in OFDM SGM as compared to the OFDM index modulation. The degree of freedom offered by introducing the gap between active subcarriers as the new transmission medium enables and improves throughput performance of OFDM SGM compared to the plain OFDM. As usually done in the literature, we investigate the trade-off between the spectral efficiency and energy efficiency for the considered modulation schemes. This trade-off is determined by the number of active subcarriers in the OFDM block. In particular, more saved energy and less spectral efficiency result from having less number of active subcarriers. It's obvious from figure 3 that the OFDM SGM offers higher spectral efficiency and energy efficiency ratios as compared to the OFDM index modulation with low activation ratio and the plain OFDM. Figure 4 shows that OFDM SGM has improved bit error rate performance over classical OFDM at high SNR values. Moreover, the proposed scheme with an look likelihood ratio detector has comparable bit error rate performance to the OFDM SNM and OFDM index modulation. The reason for that is the gap between active subcarriers in the OFDM SGM increases the influence of active gap bits on the bit error rate more. Moreover, the bit error rate performance of the growth of the MSGM scheme when using the imperfect SAP detector has worse bit error rate performance compared to that in the perfect detector. The reason behind this degraded bit error rate performance of the imperfect detector is that more error sources result from employing the imperfect detector as compared to the perfect one. Figure 4 also shows that with the growth of SNR, the obtained theoretical results become close to the simulative ones. As a conclusion, this paper introduced a novel energy-efficient multi-carrier modulation scheme termed as OFDM subcarrier gap modulation of the MSTM. The proposed scheme transmits extra information by the gap between the activated subcarriers beside the classical modulation symbols. The proposed scheme has low complex transceiver. The proposed scheme performs better than its counterpart in terms of throughput under low modulation order. The upper bound on the bit error rate of the MSGM agrees with the analyzed one. As a future work, the proposed scheme will be investigated with different modulation orders and sub-block sizes. Another potential research direction is combining the proposed scheme with the other existing OFDM-based modulation schemes to provide a further enhancement in different performance metrics, especially spectral efficiency. The extension journal version of this work will be submitted to RSO Open Journal on Innovative Communication Technology, RSOG The MATLAB codes are available at researchstore.com for those interested in regenerating the results. Thanks for watching my presentation. It's my pleasure to talk with you today. I am wishing great success in recording your own presentation for this virtual PMRC conference.